Man believes he must labor for the promise, but the promise was given before time began. He does not need to earn the kingdom, only to awaken to it. The world has taught you that everything must be bought with sweat, that the blessing comes through struggle, that worth must be proven through pain. But listen carefully. You're not sent here to earn what is already yours. You are here to recognize yourself as the source, to reclaim what was never lost. Every act of striving is a confession of blindness. It is like a man knocking at his own door, unaware he is already inside the house. He does not see that the door was never locked. The image appears only when he accepts, not when he labors. When you try to deserve the inheritance, you declare that you are outside it. You bow before your own reflection, pleading for the light that already burns within you, unaware that the very source you seek is the one who is looking. Stop striving. Awaken. You are not a servant working for wages, but a son returning to his inheritance. And the moment you remember, the door you are knocking on opens from within. Now hear the truth that liberates man. Creation is finished. It is your Father's good pleasure to give you the kingdom. The parable of the prodigal son holds your answer. Man journeys to the far country of effort and fear, not knowing the feast was prepared before he ever departed. The return is not a journey in miles. It is the awakening of identity. And the moment he remembers who he is, he finds himself seated once more at the table of plenty, clothed in the symbols of his rightful place, the robe of belonging and the ring of authority. I say to you, there is nothing to earn. Creation was finished in the foundation of time. You as man are God made visible, not to construct what is to be, but to display what already is. Do not think you must work out your salvation by the sweat of your brow. Do not say it will take time. The harvest is not months away, it is now. The fields of your desire are already ripe, waiting only for recognition. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. There is no moment but now. What you ask for stands complete, finished in the unseen, long before you called its name. You need only to assume possession, to reach inward, unclaim what has ripened in the silence of faith. To thrust in the sickle is to live as the one who has already received. For faith gathers what the world has not yet seen. You have gathered the harvest of eternity. There was never a debt, never a distance, only forgetfulness. So stop measuring your worth by effort. Stop bargaining with God. You are the prodigal returned, the heir restored to his rightful place. The robe and the ring were never taken, for no power can strip you of what you are. Live now from that knowing, and you will see creation is finished. You were never required to earn, only to receive.